All right, Felonious Mopery, and we have some Canadian economic data. Just catching up on the last couple months. First little bit is that our retail sales is down 0.1%. Doesn't sound like a lot, but considering that they were forecasting a 0.2 rise, that's a fair bit. And they were actually forecasting, even with autos, at a 0.4 rise. And that even looks worse when you don't include the auto sales. So if you're just doing anything but auto sales, it's actually down 0.3. That's considerable. We're going to go over to GDP. And once again, I harp on this several times. Right now, our GDP should be flying. It should be at least matching the United States. Why? Because the United States is our largest trading partner, and they're doing phenomenally well right now. Our GDP, on the other hand, is very anemic, even if you believe these numbers. 0.2% for May. You know what? And then the prices for raw material are definitely going down there, and quite considerably. So people, if we're going to be a resource company or country, and we're not selling anything anybody wants, and our raw materials are actually decreasing in value, that's not good. And the last is the job numbers. And the unemployment or employment actually went down. So unemployment went up. They were expecting 12.5 to 17,000 increase. Instead, they got a 24.2 thousand decrease. Not good. And that is combined full-time and part-time. And so the unemployment rate went up to 5.7. And I can tell you that the employment rate dropped down to below 62. It actually is 61.9. So in a time when we should be taking off, enjoying the good life, Trudeau's government with their stupid regulations and that stupid trade deal that we made, which we haven't exactly felt yet because it hasn't been implemented yet. But, we sent off a journalist, Kristen Freeland, to deal with our trade negotiations. A journalist. Doesn't even have an economics major or anything like that. She's just a journalist. Anyway, this is not a good sign. Absolutely not good news for Canada. And it's actually, I think, it's just going to start getting really worse from here on in. Thanks for watching.